Hey guys, welcome back. Got the manifolds out again. So yeah, today going to be welding on these exhaust gas temperature, the EGT bungs. Yeah, last episode I mentioned how I was running stock internals. Well, that may have got a little bit out of hand. A friend of mine, Tony, linked me to some Ross forged pistons on Facebook Marketplace, and they're about 2,200 new, and these were for $650. So, well, can't say no to that. And well, if I'm getting pistons, I may as well get conrods. It'd be rude not to, right? So then of course I need bearings, and I need studs, I need head gaskets, I need, you know, all that other stuff that goes along with it. So yeah, that's all happened over the last few weeks and saved absolutely no money, as you could imagine. And all that is now with an engine builder. So yeah, can't show you any of it because it's not here. So I'll chuck some photos in. But yeah, so today basically what I'm going to do is mark on here they all need to be the same distance from the flange, so from the edge of the weld coming up sort of 40 millimeters, just as long as they're all the same. It's good being a fabricator by trade sometimes. Yeah, so they're all 40 mil up, dead center. Bit of a center punch. These things are weird. I don't feel like getting the hammer out and just... Nah, don't feel like it. This will do. Doesn't really leave much of a mark there. You can barely feel it, but the end of the drill bit we'll be able to find it without walking around all over the place, hopefully. Yeah, so I'll start off with a go from 3.5 as a pilot hole, and then do a 10 mil. Let's have another go at this, shall we? Battery went flat. Anyway, actually no, it overheated. So I put it in the fridge, and then I put it back on. Then it came on and it's like, oh, battery's flat. Now, so you've now got a new battery, and you've been refrigerated. Behave. Okay, so finished drilling the holes. And a trick that I figured out was to put an M5 bolt through there, so that basically the head of the bolt centers it in the hole, keeps it where it needs to be. Yeah, so I'll try to film as much of this as I can, but obviously with the overheating going on, and it's about, I don't know, high 30s or about 100 degrees in freedom units. Yeah, I'll try to film as much as I can, but you got to go easy on the camera. Yeah. So I do have my purge bung here. Poke some holes in it so the oxygen or the air can get pushed out and replaced with argon. So I'll chuck that in there. Because of course it fucking did. Alright, now we shall start the gas flowing. Running about 2 litres a minute, so it's pretty slow. Why did it stop? There we go. Yeah, so just let that push all the air out of the holes for a sec. All right. Looks fairly level. Yeah, looks pretty good. I'm going to turn this fan off and leave it away. Turn the welder on. Fan's pretty loud, but hopefully it doesn't get too annoying. I'll probably do most of this in a time lapse anyway, because you don't need to just sit here and watch me fucking do this. It's quite time consuming. Wrong gloves, I know, don't care. Not wearing clear glasses when working with stainless is generally a bad idea, because how much it expands and contracts. Oh, that'll do. With stick welding, definitely, because you get all the slag around the edges of the weld, and when the stainless contracts, it'll like literally shoot it out and go straight in your eye. But there's no slag on this process, so doesn't seem to be having any issues. I'm not the best TIG welder by any stretch of the imagination, but that's definitely going to hold. There you have it, it's one done. Ah, fuck, it's hot in here. Put focus on it, I don't know. There. There she is, one done. overheated again. Anyway, it's pretty much finished, so yeah, this is the end result. Yeah, not too bad. Well, the other thing I did, I had to get a new battery, just for the sheer size of it, because this giant monstrosity. So these are the old fans that came out. So I got a new fan shroud to save a bit of room. I sort of trimmed it down, put some foam behind it, just, you know, to save a few millimeters, because let's face it, turbos are going here. I need as much room as I can, but yeah, the battery wouldn't fit. It'll no longer fit in the cavity right there. I mean, I'm going to put it in the boot anyway, but just for now, yeah, I can keep driving it. So yeah, that's the other thing I worked on. Anyway, that probably wraps up this video. Yeah, anyway, if you can't be good at it. See ya.